just came back. They got chased away by that tom hen pair that were here earlier. They came and tried to chase them away, I guess, is what it looked like. But apparently they were unsuccessful. I'm not sure what that was about exactly, but I know for a bit they must have got scattered because the female came back first and she was making noises and looking around trying to find out where her little ones were. They're all back together now. All is well. All is well. Whoops. It was an anxious moment or two, though. I keep missing them when they're, again, they came in from behind me and they were right beside me. Close, but I couldn't get the camera out in time to get them while they were really close. Wild stuff.